Hey guys, this is Prithvi and you're watching Prithvi Niwasi, a new vlog. Thumbnail में तो आपने देख ही लिया होगा. Rental income of 55,000 on a 30-40 for the price of 1 crore 20 lakhs only on Hennur Road. So guys, I'm in a property which will give you 55,000 rupees rental income every month. This property is actually under construction, but I'm going to show you that why this property is worth buying. The price of this property is 1 crore 20 lakhs and this is bang on Hennur main road, right behind Hennur Decathlon. So let me cover the actual location. पहले मैं आपको ये location दिखा देता हूँ और फिर then I will come down to this property and show you exactly how the layout is all about, the formation of this layout कैसा है and why this is worth buying. Let me take you to the landmark, show you the landmark exactly that आप लोग किस टाइप के प्रॉपर्टी को देख रहे हो. दिस इज अ बी खाता प्रॉपर्टी. सो गाइस स्टे इन दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड, जहां पे आपको ये पूरा स्ट्रक्चर आपको मैं दिखाने वाला हूं एंड आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू दैट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू अर्न 55,000 rupees monthly in this property by paying 1 crore 20 lakhs only on a 30-40 plot. So guys, hang on till the last and please like as much as possible. Please help me cross more than 1,000 likes so that I can give you more properties like this. तो चलिए, let us go to the landmark and explore this property completely. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get all my properties first on your mobile. Thank you. So guys, as you can see that we are right now standing right opposite Hennur Decathlon. You can just type in GPS Hennur Decathlon and you'll get this landmark. Right next to Hennur Decathlon is the Salarpuria Satwa, the tallest building on Hennur main road at this moment. And right now from this angle I'll show you, that is Croma, and this is the way you go to Hennur Bhairathi to the property actually, and this goes to Airport Road and this road takes you to Manyata back gate. We are right now on the layout. This is the layout. So let me show you around the layout how it looks. So we are actually right behind Salarpuria Satwa, the Hennur Decathlon landmark that I showed you. So this layout is just situated right behind Hennur Decathlon. So guys, people in this layout have already started acquiring. As you can see there, Salarpuria, it is right behind Salarpuria, Hennur Decathlon. So people here, as I said, have already started acquiring, buying properties and constructing over here in a large basis. And over here, 2 BHKs, as I have seen, people have quoted 2 BHK for a rental purpose, about 15 to 16,000 they're already getting for a 2 BHK here in an independent house. So this rental income property is on 30-40, and very rarely a 30-40 property comes for a price of 1 CR or probably more than 1 CR, like 1 crore 20 lakhs what this property is costing at the moment in this video. So many viewers are asking me for this kind of budget for a 30-40 property where they can get a rental income of 50,000 at least. So this was really difficult task for me, so I somehow found out this property for you people. So here you go, this is the property which is actually for sale. This building is built on 30-40 plot, 1200 square feet. So this is the size of the property, 30 feet to the west and this side is 40. It's north facing doors and west facing plot, and this is the property right behind me which you can see, which is for sale, and that's Salarpuria Satwa. And this is a neighboring property which is a completed house. So this layout is right behind Salarpuria Satwa, and Manyata Tech Park would only be 3 kilometers from here. So let me try and explain you briefly a little bit about this property. It's a 30-40 plot and the building is built on 1200 square feet. It's a west facing property. That is a 2 BHK with a car park. Rent would be about 16,000, and that is a large 2 BHK in the first floor. Rent would be about 17 to 18,000 rupees. And top of that, that is 2 units of 1 BHK, which will give you about 12,000 rupees. And that is a 1 BHK on top, which will fetch you about 5 to 6,000 rupees rent. So on an average, a person who buys this property, a B Khata property for 1 crore 20 lakhs, he or she can easily get a rental income of 55,000 rupees easily. So this is the whole layout, how the layout looks from the building. I'm in the first floor right now, so I'm just taking you around and showing you how the whole layout looks like. Once we have looked at the whole layout, I am just going to give you a small glimpse of how this under construction looks from inside. So that is Purva Palm Beach, one of the biggest landmark of Hennur area. And also right opposite Purva Palm Beach is Niman's Northern Campus coming up. And then, though you will not be able to understand much about the construction since it is only 50 to 60% completed at this moment. Anyways, the builder is going to hand over this property in coming 5 months time, and then he's also going to do the complete woodwork in the building. So guys, I'm in the first floor at the moment. This first floor has a larger 2 BHK done by the builder. There's no other unit on the first floor. It's a complete 2 BHK. It's a large 2 BHK. So anybody who likes to have this large 2 BHK, at the moment you will not understand much about this 2 BHK because this is under construction at the moment. So the rent of this 2 BHK including the interiors will be easily around 18,000 rupees. And also not to forget, this building has its own borewell, own water source. So please like, share and subscribe as much as possible. Thank you.